What's up, everybody? I'm Novo coming at you with another one, probably my last one before I get ready to go to work. Figure we'd have a look at Ethereum, seeing as how this one is going to be my favorite. Trying to figure out this triangle. It's kind of wonky, and it's very, very extended, right? Like if I'm trying to encapsulate all this, but it's aiming up and the 111 is just sitting there. So if we break that and come down, might be a big gap. Let's have a look at some. Where's the 200? 200 is sitting there at 1017 presently. Um, Nothing jumping out at me yet. Let's look at monthly. Uh, 732 to 790. Well, we hope we don't go that low. Looking at weekly. Oh, this might be one of those plays. So sideways, thin bars, and I think these wicks kind of negate it, but this may be the consolidation and then a pump again, which might be at the top of this triangle. And support, I would say 50% of this green candle sitting at around 1111. And it looks like the wick is kind of down there and not sure yet. Auto, the daily, where's the 20? Oh, we're just sitting like right on the 20 there. So we'll see if the 20 adds support. Um, this may this may confirm a bounce back up, and then we'll try and test that higher high. Our high, our our previous high was around 1500, and the triangle is above it. So it could be that we may head on up, but we got to sell off a little. 4 hour was a support on the 111. What's APO MACD saying? Oh, it's trying, but I'm pretty sure when it gets to the zero cross, it'll come back down about 50% of the way. I'll try and find support along the, what is that, the 19.5 before we continue up again. But trend looks pretty good. This was a bit steep, so we had to pull back. And now we're following the 350 on the hourly, but we dipped down below that. So the 1 hour is too noisy. And I'm liking the 111 on the half day. What? And then the 20, the 50 is way the heck down here at 928. So if we break that, that'd probably be the next piece I'd be looking for. Aside from that, I don't. APO cross flashed here. That was a big dump and scared people off. Consolidation. And then came back down. Further consolidation happening. Looking at volume. You can see the breathing happening. This one is a bit higher. What do the weekly candles look like? Very similar to here. No cross to the downside. So nothing looks scary. I think, we're close to the all-time high, so need to get above that, stay above 1450, break the 1500 before we continue. But this is pretty steep, the way things are set up. And we're at the resistive point of the GAN box at the 0.5. So let's hope for support along this tangent. Have a look at, and that looks doable, right? The 20 is there. We're just sitting there. I think maybe the pop and then come back down. I think we need more time, but that's okay. I'm bullish on this stuff for the next little while, especially Ethereum. This is going to be a wild ride heading off. And the argument for the 111 and the Fibonacci 1618 cross just happened right here. And for Bitcoin, that was 90%. I don't know if that's a common echo in the space, but let's see if we can guess where a potential top is. If this resonates the same as BTC, so that was about 90, 90, 90. And what did we get? 5,700. That's a weird number, but I'll take it. Let's see if we can get to 5,700. I think I think our next stop is going to be 2,800, and that's where we are, 50% of the way up to it, I think. So we'll have to wait and see if we actually get way the heck up here. It seems a bit high and out of reach visually for me right now. My first target is definitely trying to approach 2,800. Okay, so that's it for ETH. Alt season is already here, if anyone is wondering. We need to see if Bitcoin or ETH will dominate. BTC, ETH. Oh, sorry, no, it's the other way around. ETH, BTC pairs on Binance. And we can see that ETH is ripping. People are exiting Bitcoin and going into alts. But the beauty about this is between Bitcoin and Ethereum, this thing is ready to go. All that consolidation has happened here. We're above the 350. We just did the 350 bounce, and now we're off to test. What is that? 0.12. I'm going to be super happy when we see 0.1. And likely when I see that, might have to switch over to Bitcoin. I'm not sure. But this chart is screaming opportunity. And I think this is going to be Ethereum's year. ETH, USD, Finance. Yeah, I think this is going to be ETH's year. So we'll just have to watch this. It moves, but the plays I'm looking at are like weeks long. That's a little better. Yeah, that's a little better. I can't quite encapsulate this triangle with the move. Let's see what a half day. There we go. We'll stick with that. Watch this 111 and see if we continue pushing up. And keep an eye on the 200 if we break down. This is on the 4 hour. So that's all I got. Trade safe. I'm off to work.